Swim.
Nathan, come on.
Hey Nathan, I'm filming. Go ahead and hurry up and get it done. Mom's gonna love seeing it.
Yep, go. Good job, Nathan.
See, that's why I wanted him to do it again. Super job. When you get your elbows up there, pull with those elbows, remember?
Get your elbows up into the cockpit, Nathan. There you go. There you go, like that. Push, push, push. Do a push-up. Remember?
Like you were doing on the wall. There you go.
Good job. Remember, kick, push up, and pull yourself up. Good job. There you go. Now do it. There you go. Get the rest of your body hit. Just like you had. Like this. There you go.
Just like the wall.
Do that again and you'll be in. Get those. There you go. There you go. Almost in. Almost. Good job. Pull yourself in. Pull yourself in, Nathan.
Get those elbows up. There you go. Once you got your elbows in there, pull.
Nathan, grab onto the, see the little black ring there? Now grab the other side. There you go. Now use that. Come on, Nathan, you got it, buddy. There you go. Get in, grab it, get in the cockpit. Get your paddle away. Keep going, Nathan. Get in there fast. Fast as you can.
Fast as you can. My camera's going to run out. Paddle away. Paddle away before my camera runs out. Super job.
How long did it take you?
I don't know.
How much